Well, hello, and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. A little while ago, I did a video about this box. It's the Betty Crocker Recipe Card Library, and I just love it. And what I learned after doing that video is that other people love it too, and a few of my favorite people also have the same box, and we came up with an idea. We said, let's do a collaboration based on this box. This box full of cards. And we all went through our box and we're gonna create our own recipe based on a card in this box. I hope they're ready to participate. Unboxing Betty.
I've got my box.
Cooking the books.
I've got my box.
Maikoh.
I've got my box.
Ginger Snap Kitchen.
I've got my box.
They sure are a great group. Well, we searched our boxes high and low for the perfect recipe to create. And we each needed our own specific one. Well, I found one that just seemed so unique. Not only did it seem unique, it seemed a little strange, out of this world, very retro. I found this one. It's from the card section, Salads for Every Occasion. It was card number 20. This is it, Jellied Chicken Salad. So it's like chicken and Jell-O combined. That's gotta be good, right? Let's start and find out. I'm gonna start by cooking up some chicken. I'm using corn, meatless pieces. You get a half a cup of chicken broth and get it going on low heat. I need to dissolve an envelope of gelatin into that broth. Once it's dissolved, you add 1 cup and 1/4 chicken broth to the pan. I'm gonna chill this broth in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes so it gets a little bit thicker. While that's chilling, I'm gonna chop up some celery. I need about 1/4 cup of this. The jelly has started to thicken, so I'll be adding some more ingredients. It's time to add that cooked chicken, as well as 1/4 cup of celery. And 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, as well as a sprinkle of salt, a little minced onion, and the final ingredient is about a tablespoon of pimentos. Mix that up, pour it into a loaf pan, and let it firm up in your refrigerator. Okay, it is finished out of the refrigerator and it definitely feels fully formed and Jell-O-like. It just says I flip it over onto a plate and decorate it with some tomatoes and pimentos. Wow, here it is. Yes, my thoughts are, it's not the most beautiful thing I've ever seen, but I gave it my all, and yes, even though I'm scared to taste it, I will be trying it. Oh yes. It still astonishes me that these jelly things were such a popular thing to try. But yes, it is definitely jelly, and yes, it's going in my belly. Now, here we go. It definitely it has a chicken smell. Well, it's definitely jelly. The flavor is totally like you're eating a chicken noodle soup. So it's basically like you're eating a cold chicken noodle soup with a jelly texture. The texture does not win it much points, I'll tell you that. But the flavor is not bad. It has a nice flavor, but please, I'm never gonna eat cold chicken soup ever again. So I'm giving it a 4.5. And now it's Kieran's turn.
Yeah, the flavor is fine. The texture is revolting. It's that you can't get past the like tin of dog food kind of feel. So sorry, I'm gonna pass. Rating 2.3.
Thank you so much. It sure was a lot of fun doing this collaboration video. You'll have to go and check my description and the links to see all of my friends' videos too. I hope their meals are a little more exciting than mine. Well, for this, the box is closed. See you next time. I went into a store and I was carrying a baseball bat made out of gelatin. Oh my goodness. I was arrested for carrying a congealed weapon.